Hi, I'm Brad Duncan with Raypak. Today I'd like to show you how to remove and replace the direct spark igniter on the Raypak AVIA swimming pool heater. Let's go take a look.
First, remove the heater top. Then locate the direct spark igniter and remove the high tension lead. Using a 3/8" socket and extender, remove the hold down nuts from the bolts. Carefully remove the lock washers. Gently pulling upwards, tilt the igniter toward the burner to facilitate the removal of the electrodes. The gasket will remain intact. When installing a new igniter, the included gasket should be installed on the igniter first. Reinstall by inserting the electrodes into the opening, then tilting the assembly away from the burner, allowing the assembly to drop onto the bolts. Replace the lock washers. Replace the nuts. And reconnect the high tension lead.